and a very warm welcome to everyone present here. Today, we come together to honor the guiding lights of our lives, our dear teachers.
Teachers are the ones who sow the seed of knowledge. They nurture them with care and shape us into who we are today.
They are the gentle hands that guide us, the voices that encourage us, and the hearts that believe in us when we doubt ourselves.
Without them, the journey of our learning would be incomplete, for they transform ordinary classrooms into places of growth and discovery.
Just like plants need sunlight, water, and soil, students need love, guidance, and wisdom, all of which our teachers provide us selflessly.
Today's celebration is dedicated to this beautiful bond of growth and gratitude, a tribute to our teachers who make learning bloom in our lives.
And so, we welcome you to this Teachers' Day celebration, a celebration of knowledge, guidance, and gratitude. We have for you the Garden of Knowledge, where every teacher nurtures like a gardener and every student blossoms like a flower. Presenting Gulistan-e-Taleem.
गुरु ही दीपक, गुरु ही उजाला, गुरु से ही जीवन का हर पल निराला. Light is the symbol of knowledge that removes the darkness of ignorance. On this Teachers' Day, may I now humbly invite Mrs. Renu Shankar, Mrs. Nisha Shah, Mrs. Pamela Anthony, Mr. Albert Turkey, and Mrs. Agnes Albert to come forward and illuminate the lamp of wisdom and inspiration.
Good morning and a warm welcome to everyone present here. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, we gather in the Gulistan-e-Taleem, the garden of knowledge. In this garden, our teachers are the devoted gardeners, nurturing each one of us with patience, care, and wisdom, like gardeners who plant seeds and wait with hope for them to bloom. Our teachers sow in us the seeds of knowledge and dreams that will blossom in time and shape our future. As we begin this prayer service, let us invoke God's blessings on our teachers, the guiding hands of this garden of knowledge.
Now please join your hands and close your eyes for a short prayer. Loving God, we thank you for the gift of our teachers in our lives. Bless them with the wisdom to guide,
patience to nurture, and joy to see the fruits of their labors. May they continue to inspire us to grow in knowledge, values, and love. Amen.
A reading from the Holy Bible. The kingdom of heaven is like a mustard seed, which a man took and planted in his field. Though it is the smallest of all seeds, yet when it grows, it is the largest of garden plants and becomes a tree, so that the birds come and perch in its branches. A reading from the Bhagavad Gita. When a person has acquired true knowledge from a guru, ignorance disappears like darkness dispelled by the light of a lamp.
A reading from the Holy Quran. Allah will elevate those of you who are faithful and rise those gifted with knowledge in rank. And Allah is all aware of what you do.
Today, as a part of our prayer, we bring forward flowers. Each flower we offer carries a meaning of its own, a symbol of gratitude, respect, and love for our teachers. Just as every flower adds beauty and fragrance to a garden, each of these offerings expresses the value and blessings of our teachers have planted in us.
A rose. This rose stands for love and care. Just as a rose spreads its fragrance, our teachers fill our life with love and compassion. They love us even when we doubt ourselves, even when we falter, and encourage us when we doubt ourselves. The bond between a teacher and a child is like the fragrance of a rose, invisible but always felt.
A lily. This lily is for purity and wisdom. Teachers bring clarity and truth, lighting the lamp of knowledge in our minds. They keep our hearts pure with values and guide our thoughts towards honesty. Like the white lily, their wisdom shines bright and lifts us towards higher learning.
Lotus. The lotus blooms even in muddy waters. It represents hope and enlightenment. Our teachers lift us beyond challenges and show us the path of learning. They remind us that difficulties are never the end, but the beginning of growth. Through their guidance, we too learn to rise and bloom, no matter the circumstances.
Sunflower. This sunflower follows the sun, just as we follow our teachers. It symbolizes guidance and inspiration. A teacher's presence is like sunlight, always steady, always warm, always guiding us in the right direction. Their examples makes us stand tall and strong, just like the sunflower. As these flowers bloom, may your lives be filled with joy and blessings for the many seeds you plant in us. And just as God, the ultimate teacher, guides all creation, may He bless you for your tireless efforts in guiding us. May you continue to inspire young minds, and may the seeds of knowledge you plant bear fruit 100-fold.
Now, let us close our eyes and join our hands and in silence offer a prayer for our teachers and this Gulistan-e-Taaleem. O Lord, bless our teachers with health and joy. May their wisdom be the fragrance that guides us. May this Gulistan-e-Taaleem bloom forever, spreading peace, light and knowledge.
Teachers are gardeners. They plant seeds of knowledge and patiently await their growth. Not every seed blooms at the same time, but with care, each one grows uniquely. Knowledge without values is incomplete.
Teachers give us both. With this reflection in our hearts, we would now like to request everyone present here to join us in singing the chorus of the hymn, Lord, I Come to Your Garden.
Lord, I come to your garden to see what grows there today. Lord, I come to your garden to love, to work and to pray. To love, to work and to pray.
May I now invite our respected principal, Sister Mary Neha, to express her thoughts on this auspicious day.
A warm good morning to all and happy Teachers' Day to you, dear sisters and teachers. Teachers don't just instruct. They shape destinies hidden in fragile clay. One unseen gesture today may become a student's strength decades later. The world thinks of inventors and kings. Don't forget, a teacher built them both. Teaching is more than a job. It's partaking in the creative act of God Himself. When heaven records history, the crown of teachers will have a special glow. Jesus, the greatest teacher, whispers, "Learn of me, I am meek and humble." Teachers should be the best minds in the country, said Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day. Dr. Radhakrishnan said in 1962. Since then, Teachers' Day is observed across the country on his birthday, that is September 5th. By living this vision, we not only honor Dr. Radhakrishnan, but also commit ourselves to shaping a nation built on knowledge, values, and human dignity. It is true that every successful person, regardless of their profession, can trace their path back to a teacher who believed in them. A teacher who saw potential even when the student did not. On this special day, teachers are often thanked for the lessons from what they taught from textbooks or the subjects they teach in the classrooms. Very often, they are thanked for simplifying equations, explaining complex theories, and preparing students for exams. However, today there is a need to thank our teachers for more. The lessons that did not require a blackboard to teach also deserve recognition. Thank you, dear educators, for teaching patience by answering countless repetitive questions without showing any frustration. Thank you for teaching resilience by encouraging students to go beyond their comfort zone and demonstrating that mistakes are steps towards greatness. Thank you, dear teachers, for teaching compassion through small, unseen acts of kindness shown to a struggling student or a friend in need. The world is changing rapidly. Technology provides instant access to information. However, technology cannot replace warmth of encouragement, the power of belief, and the wisdom of guidance. Dear students, the greatest gift to teachers is not a card or a program, but the commitment you carry, the commitment to carry your lessons forward. Therefore, it is important to promise to strive for excellence, be kind to others, and remain curious about the world teachers have revealed to you. Today, I wish Happy Teachers' Day to every educator present here who dedicates his or her heart and mind to shaping the next generation. The present and future are owed to you. I would love to tell all of you today that you are loved, you are looked up to, and you remain as role models to all. In today's prayer service, students beautifully presented teachers as gardeners of knowledge. Thank you for the seeds you plant every day. Seeds of values, seeds of facts and lessons, seeds of discipline and inspiration. Some seeds bloom quickly, others take years, but your patience and faith never waver. Thank you for what you are to the students of ours, what you are to the institution. Your selfless efforts, your hard work, your patience, your dedication matter much to each one of us. And today, I take this special opportunity to thank each one of you. I also wish to express my gratitude to our office staff and those who work tirelessly behind the scenes for the smooth functioning of this institution. Your quiet contribution ensures that teaching and learning continue without interruption. And for this, we are truly grateful. Once again, on special day, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. And I raise each one of you to the Lord and pray that you always find joy in your mission, strength in your challenges, and pride in the countless lives you continue to transform. May God bless all of you, dear educators. Enjoy the day, enjoy the program prepared by your students so lovingly, and enjoy also the surprises that are waiting ahead for you. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your thoughtful words.
God bless you. God bless you.
अजनबी मोड़ है, खौफ हर और है, हर नजर पे धुआं छा गया, पल भर में जाने क्या खो गया, आसमां
Teachers are blessings we hold so dear. Their words of wisdom forever be here.
To express their deepest love and gratitude for their teachers, we now have the Montessori section with bright smiles and joyful hearts. Their tiny steps carrying big love for their teachers.
Dear teachers, you are the beautiful flowers of this garden. You give us shades of love and colors of happiness. Because of you, we learn, grow and shine. You make our Gulista bright and full of life. On this special day, we say with love, thank you dear teachers. We love you.
की महफिल है रागों की जहां, सुरों की महफिल है रागों का जहां, संगीत है इबादत दिलों की पहचान। जब सुर से मिलती है रूह की पुकार, जब सुर से मिलती है रूह की पुकार, हर लम्हा बन जाता है खुदा का नायाब उपहार, हर लम्हा बन जाता है खुदा का नायाब उपहार।
We now step into a majestic realm where every note sparkles like a jewel and every rhythm echoes the heartbeat of devotion. We now present to you a magnificent Qawwali